All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we're gonna be looking at the also famous TUDIA lineup here. Now they sent me all three colors over for the iPhone 14 Pro. You'll be able to look for these in other models as well. But this is their newer case, man. This case right here is gotta be just one of the most beautiful. I'm so happy that they changed the design or added a new case to their lineup, I should say. This is a really solid case, man. I mean, this thing is absolutely just gorgeous, and I just don't have any complaints about this case right here. It feels really good. The texture is nice. I like the two-tone setup they got going on right here now. This is obviously the blue version. Isn't that beautiful? And you got the black around here with the ridges on there with the two-tone joint. You got the power button right there, obviously. Then you got your volume rocker and vibrate mute switch there. And then all ports, everything I'm gonna line up on the bottom. Now this is my dummy unit. You guys remember I moved on to the 14 Pro Max. And so I'm just gonna try these on for you and let you see them on the device. Wow, that is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna need to get this to the Pro Max. TUDIA, if you're listening, I'm gonna need these for the Pro Max, 14 Pro Max. And also the 14 Plus. I'm gonna need those ASAP. So this is the blue one right here. Man, I do miss the size of my 14 Pro Max, but that battery of the 14 Pro, but the battery just wasn't good enough for me. I hated charging every freaking day. Yeah, here it is, man. This is such a beautiful case. The color is nice. Now, they have this black one right here as well. And these will work with wireless charging because they're plastic and it's enough room to get through of them on here. You can see all the cutouts and ports and everything on there. Beautiful looking case, man. This grip case is so beautiful, man. I'm so glad that they added this to the lineup. This is just a really good looking case, and it feels really good too. And it's called the grip case for a reason. So the last one I'm gonna try on here for you is obviously the F8 green. You already know. Man, that's beautiful. That's just a beautiful thing right there. Now you do have a little bit of lip protection along the front. So when you lay it down flat like this, it's gonna be fine. You won't have any problems with it. Grip all along each side of this case, man. It's just a good, solid looking case, and you just can't go wrong with it, man. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll leave a link down below in the description. You be sure to head over and check this out. And TUDIA, like I said, I'm gonna need you to holler at me because I'm really gonna need these for the 14 Pro Max, like ASAP. These are some good looking cases, and they feel phenomenal. Let's get it done.